Hello, little friends. Today we will learn fun words from every letter of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's start. This is letter A. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for arrow. A is for avocado.
Apple and arrow and avocado.
This is letter B. B is for bag. B is for ball. B is for bus. B is for basket.
Bag, ball, bus and basket.
This is letter C. C is for cat. C is for cup. C is for coconut. C is for crayon.
Cat, cup, coconut and crayon.
This is letter D. D is for dog. D is for drum. D is for donut. D is for doll.
Dog, drum, donut and doll.
This is letter E. E is for egg. E is for eagle. E is for elephant. E is for eggplant.
Egg, eagle, elephant and eggplant.
This is letter F. F is for fish. F is for farmer. F is for feather. F is for frog.
Fish, farmer, feather and frog.
This is letter G. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for gloves. G is for grapes.
Guitar, glass, gloves and grapes.
This is letter H. H is for hand. H is for hen. H is for horse. H is for house.
Hen, horse and house.
This is letter I. I is for ink. I is for insect. I is for igloo. I is for iron.
Ink, insect, igloo and iron.
This is letter J. J is for jug. J is for jam. J is for jaguar. J is for jacket.
Jug, jam, jaguar and jacket.
This is letter K. K is for kite. K is for key. K is for king. K is for kangaroo.
Kite, key, king and kangaroo.
This is letter L. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for lamp. L is for lemon.
Lion, leaf, lamp and lemon.
This is letter M. M is for mango. M is for moon. M is for mouse. M is for milk.
Mango, moon, mouse and milk.
This is letter N. N is for nest. N is for nail. N is for necklace. N is for nose.
Nut, nail, necklace and nose.
This is letter O. O is for orange. O is for onion. O is for owl. O is for ox.
Orange, onion, owl, and ox.
This is letter P. P is for parrot. P is for pizza. P is for potato. P is for pen.
Parrot, pizza, potato, and pen.
This is letter Q. Q is for quill. Q is for quail. Q is for queen. Q is for quince.
Quill, quail, queen,
And
quince.
This is letter R. R is for rose. R is for rabbit. R is for ring. R is for robot.
roll, rabbit, ring, and robot.
This is letter S. S is for sheep. S is for sun. S is for ship. S is for shirt.
Sheep, sun, sheep, and shirt.
This is letter T. T is for tree. T is for train. T is for tiger. T is for table.
Teddy, train, tiger, and table.
This is letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. U is for unicorn. U is for utensil.
Umbrella, uniform, unicorn, and utensil.
This is letter V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for vest. V is for vase.
Van, violin, vest, and vase.
This is letter W. W is for watch. W is for wheel. W is for window. W is for whale.
Watch, wheel, window, and wheel.
This is letter X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xerox.
Xylophone, X-ray, X-Mac, and Xerox.
This is letter Y. Y is for yoke. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yak. Y is for yawn.
Dog, yo-yo, yak, and yarn.
This is letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zip. Z is for zero.
Zebra, zigzag, zip, and zero.
Wow, you did amazing. We learned so many words from A to Z.